Where to buy Wawanesa insurance in Atlanta. If you are looking to purchase a Wawanesa insurance policy in Atlanta, Georgia, it is important to know that Wawanesa's coverage is currently limited to specific states. 1. Check Wawanesa's availability. Wawanesa Insurance primarily offers auto and renters insurance in California and Oregon. Homeowners insurance is available only in California. At this time, Wawanesa does not provide insurance policies in Georgia. 2. Look for alternative insurance providers. Since Wawanesa does not operate in Atlanta, you may want to explore other well-known insurance companies that offer similar coverage. Providers such as State Farm, Allstate, GEICO, and Progressive have strong coverage options in Georgia. 3. Consult a local independent insurance agent. Independent insurance agents in Atlanta can help you find the best coverage by comparing multiple insurance companies. They can assist you in selecting a policy that meets your specific needs and budget. 4. Explore online insurance marketplaces. If you are searching for competitive insurance rates, online insurance marketplaces can provide side-by-side comparisons of different providers available in Atlanta. This allows you to review pricing, coverage options, and discounts. 5. Contact insurance companies directly. Reaching out to insurance providers directly can help you learn more about policy details, special offers, and potential discounts. Most companies provide quotes over the phone or online for convenience. 6th, visit insurance agency locations in Atlanta. If you prefer in-person service, visiting an insurance agency in Atlanta can provide a better understanding of your coverage options. Many agencies offer consultations to help you choose the best policy. 7. Review and finalize your insurance policy. Before purchasing a policy, carefully review all coverage details, deductibles, and additional benefits. Ensure that the policy meets your needs and provides the right level of protection. To see the best offers on insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below.